All right, so you just got your package of Flex-A-Clear vinyl from Marine Vinyl Fabric. Today we're gonna open it up, see what to expect when it arrives. First things first, don't go at it with a scissors or knife. You don't wanna risk cutting the vinyl inside. Carefully remove the outer bag, making sure not to damage the vinyl. Once that bag's off, you'll find your roll of clear vinyl, and you'll also notice there's a protective layer wrapped around it. This layer is made from scrap vinyl. It's usually about 1 yard, and it's meant to be discarded. Now here's your actual product, crystal clear and ready to go. But there's one more very important thing to note, depending on how you ordered. If you ordered by the yard, your vinyl has been cut to your desired length and will be re-rolled with a layer of paper in between. This paper helps during the re-rolling process, but it must be removed as soon as you receive your vinyl. If it's left inside the roll after your package arrives, it can cause irreversible damage to quality and clarity. For the best quality, purchase a full roll. These are direct from our factory, packed and boxed without paper at the time of production. So if you bought a full factory roll, you can disregard this step. It's very important to inspect your vinyl as soon as it arrives. Make sure it's clean, undamaged, and ready for your project. Please report any shipping transit damage within 14 days of delivery by email to support@marinevinylfabric.com. Are you done with your work or not quite ready to start? To store your vinyl, just make sure the paper's been taken out and all the packaging. It's clean and dry if it's been exposed to the elements. And finally, make sure it's stored vertically in a climate-controlled space.